Welcome to our quick comparison of Catia and Autocad, two powerhouse CAD tools. Let's break them down and see which one suits your needs. First up, we have Catia from Dassault Systems. It's a robust 3D modeling suite for advanced product design and engineering. It shines in aerospace, automotive, and industrial machinery, offering tools for surface modeling, simulations, and product lifecycle management. Its parametric design and assembly features handle complex projects, but it does have a steep learning curve. Next up, we have AutoCAD, developed by Autodesk. It's a go-to for 2D drafting and basic 3D modeling. It's user-friendly, perfect for architects, civil engineers, and interior designers creating floor plans, blueprints, and technical drawings, with tools like layer management and Autolist for automation. It's versatile and supports file formats like DWG and DXF. Its intuitive interface does make it ideal for beginners. So, how do they stack up? Well, AutoCAD excels in 2D drafting and is easier to learn, making it great for architecture and civil engineering. It's cost-effective with subscriptions starting at $210 per month. Catia, however, is a choice for complex 3D design, simulations, and PLM in industries like aerospace. It's pricier and more complex, but unmatched for intricate projects. If you need quick, precise 2D drawings, go with AutoCAD. And for advanced 3D modeling and engineering, Catia is your pick. AutoCAD for simplicity and 2D precision, or Catia for advanced 3D engineering. Pick based on your project's needs. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more tech insights, and I'll see you in the next video.